Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Before we get started, let me just take these pieces of diamond out of the way and start working on this piece of charcoal. Let's disassemble it, shall we? I have disassembled this one many times already. You can see the battery has swelled and pushed the screen out. This crack is only for the protective screen. The screen is still intact. Unbelievably, but yeah. Yeah, this is it. I don't remember how I stick the old battery. I think I just left it like that. This is the iPhone 6. We still have this phone just to use it for talk and just like that, you know, like a spare phone. And now it's a position how you can disassemble it, yeah, like this. This battery that I used the last time, I don't think it was original because I couldn't find one. Now I bought an original, well, that's how they lie to me anyway. It's an original iPhone battery. I don't know for sure. And here we have the display assembly. The touchscreen and the display and the button. I don't remember if this one has fingerprint scan. I don't think it has. Yeah, whatever. What do you guys think? Is this battery an original one? They say it's an original iPhone one. This definitely wasn't because I couldn't find at that time an original one. Before I get to finishing it, let's see if it starts. Before I put completely everything back together. Huh? Um, hmm. Oh, that was it. So it works. Then let's turn it off. Good. And here we have it. Okay. Everything seems to work fine. Time to charge it. Actually. better charge. Yeah, well, this was the battery change of the iPhone 6. Not much to it actually. I was curious to see what's inside after the main board and all of that. Well, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. If not, dislike. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Have an awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye bye.